Good morning, students. Welcome to English class. Today, we are going to continue with our chapter Pandora's Box from your book Fragrance Reader. But before proceeding further, let's recapitulate what we have done in our previous session. In our previous session, we have discussed about a couple, Pandora and Epimetheus, who were watering their flower garden when God Mercury came and handed over them a huge wooden chest. The god warned them not to open the chest under any circumstances and went away. But Pandora was very curious to open the wooden chest as the couple heard some strange voices calling their names. Epimetheus avoided them and went outside. Pandora became somewhat emotional as the voices sounded very pitiful. She also reminded of the god's warning, but she couldn't stop herself. At last, she undid the gleaming cords and opened the chest. On the basis of what we have read in our previous session, you will be able to answer these questions now. What did Pandora and Epimetheus hear from the box? How did the voices sound from the box? What did the voices plead Pandora? Who opened the wooden chest? By the end of this video, you will be able to express story in your own words. You will be able to understand the meaning of difficult words and phrases. You will be able to answer the related questions. So students, let us begin with the reading of page 59. But before that, we will mark the word meanings and phrases on that page. So come to first word, second paragraph, page 59. Crammed. C-R-A-M-M-E-D. Crammed. It means filled. Our next word is swarm. S-W-A-R-M. Swarm, which means a large group. Now come to next line. There is a word fluttered. Now let's do the breakup. F-L-U-T-T-E-R-E-D. Fluttered. It means moved quickly. Our next word is regret. R-E-G-R-E-T. Regret. It means feeling disappointed. In the next line, there is a word wail. W-A-I-L. Wail. It means to cry. Our next word is despair. Let's do the breakup. D-E-S-P-A-I-R. Despair. It means feeling sad. Our next word is slammed. S-L-A-M-M-E-D. Slammed. It means shut with a loud noise. Now come to next paragraph. There is a word yelled. Y-E-L-L-E-D. Yelled. It means shouted. In the next paragraph, first line, the word is interrupted. Let's do the breakup. I-N-T-E-R-R-U-P-T-E-D. Interrupted. It means disturbed or stopped. The next word in the same line is grabbed. G-R-A-B-B-E-D. Grabbed. It means to take hold of something. Now come to last line of the page. there is a word whispered. 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 It means murmured. Come to page 60. First paragraph. There is a next word grumbled. 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 It means complained in a bad way. Our next word is sobbed. 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 It means cried noisily. Our next word is soothed. 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 It means to calm. So students, now we will mark the phrases of page 59 and 60 for better understanding of the chapter. Our first phrase is with all the evils in the world, which means संसार में सभी बुराइयों के साथ. Our next phrase is in a great swarm, which means एक बड़े झुंड में. Now come to next phrase, to wail with despair, which means निराशा में चिल्लाना. In the same paragraph, last line, there is a phrase onto the chest, which means संदूक पर. Now come to next paragraph. Fourth line, there is a phrase to sting and bite him, which means उसे डंक मारने और काटने को. Our next phrase is to shout at his wife, which means अपनी पत्नी पर चिल्लाने को. Now come to last paragraph of page 59. There is a phrase onto each other in panic, which means गुस्से में एक दूसरे पर. Our next phrase is from the chest, which means संदूक से. Now come to page 60. First paragraph. There is a phrase for a second time, which means दूसरी बार के लिए. In the next paragraph of page 60, there is a phrase with relief, which means राहत के साथ. Our next phrase is out of the window, which means खिड़की से बाहर को. Now come to last line of the paragraph. There is a phrase after the evils, which means बुराइयों के पीछे. Our last phrase is with us ever since, which means हमारे साथ हमेशा के लिए. Now let's begin with the reading of page 59. At once, Pandora realized she had done a terrible thing. The box had been crammed with all the evils in the world. Thousands of tiny brown moth-like creatures that stung people with their wings and caused pain and misery wherever they went. Now, because of Pandora, the evils were free. They flew up out of the chest in a great swarm and fluttered all over Pandora's skin. So, when Pandora opened the box, horrible things in the form of pain, misery, envy, hatred, poverty and death flew out of the chest. For the very first time, Pandora felt pain and regret. She began to wail with despair, but all too late. She slammed the lid back down onto the chest. All the tiny moth-like creatures attacked Pandora, and for the very first time, she felt pain and regret. She immediately banged the lid of the box. Outside, Epimetheus heard his wife's cries and came running as fast as he could. The little creatures fluttered to sting and bite him before flying off through the window into the world beyond. For the first time ever, Epimetheus began to shout at his wife. Pandora yelled back, and the couple realized that they were arguing. On hearing the cries of Pandora, Epimetheus hurriedly came in. The horrible creatures stung and bit him before they flew out of the window. Epimetheus shouted at Pandora, and they both started arguing with each other. On the basis of what we have read till now, you will be able to answer these questions. What happened when Pandora opened the box for the first time? How did Pandora feel when she opened the box? What did the tiny creatures do to Epimetheus? Now come to last paragraph of page 59. Let me out, interrupted a high voice. Pandora and Epimetheus grabbed onto each other in panic. The voice was coming from the chest. Don't be afraid of me. Let me out and I can help you, came the voice. Again, the couple heard a strange voice from the chest that asked them to free it. They held each other in anxiety. What do you think? Pandora whispered to Epimetheus, wide-eyed. Surely you can't do any more mischief than you already have done, he grumbled. So Pandora opened God Mercury's chest for a second time. Epimetheus grumbled Pandora that she had already spoiled everything. Reading further, out of the deep dark chest fluttered a single shining spirit like a butterfly. It was Hope. Pandora and Epimetheus sobbed with relief as she fluttered against their skin and soothed their stinging wounds. Then she was gone, darting out of the window and into the world after the evils. Luckily, Hope has stayed with us ever since. Then Pandora opened the chest again. A single shining spirit, like a butterfly, flew out of the window. It was Hope remaining inside of the box. Then it calmed their wounds and went outside of the window. Ever since, humans have been able to hold on to this hope in order to survive the wickedness that Pandora had let out. Pandora's box now means anything that is best left untouched for fear of what might come out of it. On the basis of what we have read till now, you will be able to answer these questions. Why did Epimetheus and Pandora grab onto each other in panic? What came out when Pandora opened the box for the second time? How did Epimetheus and Pandora get relief? Where did the hope go at the end. So students, today we have completed our chapter Pandora's Box. I hope you all have understood the chapter. Now you all have to read this chapter again for better understanding and follow the schedule in your SNAP homework. Thank you.